etumi abem, etumi ejina, etumi abemu. God is always God. He 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 is always God. Anopenso oyenyame. Anopenso oyenyame. Obedin kunim amao. Obedin kunim amao. Obedin kunim amao. Obedin kunim amao. Also, let the name of the Lord be glorified. Let the power of God be made known, and let us depart from iniquity. Yekao say, eradicate as you pay.
Never became it. It did not start now, and it won't stop now. You never had, never became it. Oh, it did not start now.
Nevertheless, the foundation of God stands sure. Having this seal, the Lord knoweth them that are his. Also for anopay ye trying additional so now ye rekinkan fi 2 Timothy chapter 2 na ho na yeguso esuya efi chapter 2 no verse 15 no to 19 ho na ne ye kinkan ho ena na ye kinkan ye betu aso na ya san etie ho.
You will always be God. Somebody minister to him, tell him, always God, always God. Jesus Christ the same yesterday, today, and forever.
Na okan 2 Timothy chapter 2 15 to 19 American tree no na we are the international Solomon Edebrof no ashima mai. Mse bomodin fa wo ho gina Onyankopon anim se nea ofata. Se odwumayeni a ehia se ofere na okura no kwasem no mu pepepe. Na insem huhu a eho entew no de yi wo ho fi ho na wo beko wanim ara musubomu na won asem beyirew se oyare boni wo mu bi ni himinio ni Feleto a watre no kware no ho ka se owunyan atwam na wodan ebinim gidibutui na so Nyankopon inni na so tem ho pintin kura insu anu yi Awurade nim won a woye ne de na ma obiara obo Awurade din entwe ne ho mfi nia entie ho ma obiara obo Awurade din entwe ne ho mfi nia entie ho Awurade asemuni
Asedanka Awurade. 2 Timothy chapter 2 15 to 18. Study to show thyself approved unto God, a workman that needed not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth, but shun profane and vain babbling, for they will increase unto more ungodliness, and their word will eat as doth as canker, of whom its highness and Pilatus, who concerning the truth have erred, saying that the resurrection is past already, and overthrow the faith of some. Nevertheless, the foundation of God standeth sure, having this seal. The Lord knoweth them that are his. And let everyone that nameth the name of Christ depart from iniquity. Depart from iniquity. Depart from iniquity.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen. Yada Erade ase.
Itino ye wawa
Na anɔpɛi ɛno ɛna yɛgu so hwɛ ɛm sɛ yɛkenkan nsɛm yi na wɔtwe yi mfiase nyina na ɛno ne yɛhwɛ bɔ mmɔden fa ho gyina Onyankopɔn anim na yɛtwa mu no yɛaka ɛno yɛaka 15 no aka 16 ne nso ho asɛm na yɛgu so ara osi yɛnhwɛ na yɛanan nokware ani yɛampɔkyere nokware ho yɛankoakoa nokware ɛwɔ mu sɛ nipa tumi dane nokware ani ɔsɔfo nipa tumi dane nokware ani papa yɛhwɛ hɔ no nipa tumi dane nokware ani na nokware wobɛtumi adane no ɛno ne ɛnɛ ade a yɛpɛ sɛ so wobɛtumi adane nokware anaa the word truth you see yɛka nokware we are saying truth okay, John chapter 14 verse 6 said that for I am the way, the truth and the life. No one coming to the Father except through me. And we can John chapter 8 verse 32 say you shall know the truth and the truth shall what? Set you free. The number of times where the Bible says in Proverbs so say speak truthfully to one another. Speak truthfully to one another. But more than that fano kware etrechre manukware the weapons for our warfare Ephesians chapter 6 can once belt of what? Truth. Belt of truth. Yemfa nokware aboso emo yasin. Also na maybe say so the truth no is there any way we can turn the truth? Can we in any way change the truth to be a lie? Can the truth all of a sudden become a liar, or can the truth tend to be a lie over time? Had it ever happened before? And would it ever happen? And has it ever happened in the life of people? Say no kware a bit me adangatoro.
Painful can be brave say maybe no kware no so one fan show if it and now maybe no kware di wono so one fan dua ho a den if it top. Inti si ade bi wo ha no kware na bo ani gu so. Ade bi wo no kware unim si ade we say ne trene say ne kwan ya se ofa so na bo ani gu so na wo ye ne bi biara na kese o dan no kware no na pese if it inti se e bia nyame asema ma ati asese ye nyina no ye se pese hu erade no nyam de yembo trene bra embo abrabo a efata na sa abrabo efata ne trene bra ne erade be nam so apigyan na you know that you don't need to do this. Ebia, for instance, you don't need to steal someone's items. When you bro be ade. Na any brain a show moment with me, you throw be 19 year day. Did you be nasi just to get a position or just to take the person off from the place and just replace? So no money now when him said the cry I do no cry. I do and yet the papa. But you want because of your position. You want, or because of where you want to get, or favor be I say here, and now don't be here if you need to go did nasi. When him say that ye new, when him depend on send a pow, which 2019, we didn't pass it. A juma munia, or juma, who nipa hosa, say ni pasa, or canipa gumusa. When him said that ye, but and I'm said, oh, pay a favor wintino, or ye. Na when you ebia open any ma don't be. Na paying the work aye we yes sir no kware na onim say we no kware no what done no.
This life that I have is the life of Christ. This joy that I have
asofo tu aso
se obidi ade ahye wo nsa ebia wa monane sidan mame asase mame medisika pudu ka arochi ma wo yi eburu ni ha kraka wo e easy na abo modern nyesika pudu kakra na me de abre wo Ghana se to asase na wi kakra mame na we adwuma we de ne basa enam say you are thinking about your own parochial interest what name says kana obenya bi edi afa ho ninti no obuni gumusa cement ba ko ba auto cement 10 na auto mienu na de anu na fra bebre na dana aya anu yanko a cement bi ya nim no kwai a onim say no kwai no o dane no Pacho, what in common? I say,
Okay.
you may be a show, sir. Say you want a ye, Nankan from Pagan in we be a beer. You show you my own new whom. You show, say, in Fanawa, yes, a ringo crying, you don't know where about.
Okay. Nyamisha, Papa.
Through me, God is revealed.
Truth. Can truth be turned around? Can truth be perverted? Can truth be changed? Can truth be altered? Can truth be turned otherwise? Can truth be made false? Can we turn truth? You bet to me, I don't know quarany. And any discussion of yeri na yeri jina 2 Timothy chapter 2, 15 to 19. And in verse 18, no, no say what tore no kware no ho ka say owunyan atwam na wodan ebinim gidi butu, turning truth upside down. Can truth actually be turned upside down? And no, you can also send your input. Your cow say Jumedi is being brought to you live from Facebook, on YouTube, or Okumai Radio 97.1. You will have it fully captured right there. Twitter and Instagram also at Okumai 971. You will still have this program fully broadcast right there. For those of you outside the range of our radio waves, you would also have to join us, and we will all discuss this issue. Truth is a matter of world concern. Truth is a matter of family concern. Truth is a matter of marriage. In everything, truth is truth. And you be say who say, can we turn truth around? You be to me as to send truth, and now you be to me at Edward Junior, you be to me as sending a text message. On all these areas, we are watching. I have the screen right in front of me, watching a Facebook. If you send your comment, we will quickly read it out for hearers. But more than say, bia, who message out the bebano, and no bet to me at you be a general coso, ubi wo tin a turumu, a turu adorano, a warno, as she shen ma, a turu saturating it to say, bibi, on tin and wase. On the office is in a reason connected, one fat rock a crank, come one, ube beketi, one fat rock a crank, come one, near Marinko ye mau, enti atro. Na Bible say, na won a wodane no kware ho wopone no kware ho na wosi no kware nti asono ahimi oni Felito or the 1 year nse na ho no osi na won sam no ebetrel na ayese oyare bone. Can we turn truth around? No, can we know na onyankopon nyina so eye no kware no etim hoping. So no matter what, truth is something else, but then you can never pervert it. Ebushafo, I want us to share our idea on this. Onyankopon na wohwe verse 19b na ma obiara obo erade din no entwe ne ho mfinia entie ho. Obiara obo erade din. We are going to compare these two passages, and then we will try to bring it to the light of our modern day life. And ne yereka no kwaridi. Yerika nukwaridi mwasema. Can we turn truth? Oh, send a message na yinina yashim. Can truth be turned? Can we turn it upside down? You bet to me asinitiasia na. So ye bet to me akase bibi ye no kware pa no. Ye bet to me asinitiasia. Also for truth and facts. Ye were fact, FACTS, fact. Truth and fact. Unsunsun kakra wo.
Unsunsun kakra wo ni say the truth ni say adi no eno kware ewa adimu. And a fact ni say adia also be so the two.
The existing reality.
Exactly.
So existing reality is the fact.
Fact.
And the true reality
truth.
Okay. And ye can say be a factor. Sisi a yegusuka say ebia. It is a fact say adi iPad and bibisa na ukrai na what they share factor ukra mu but ebia ye can truth the truth will go in to tell say where that say ukra and with it and with it.
That is true.
I get it. Fact is you are holding it. Yes. Yeah, that is a fact. It is a fact that you are holding it. But then truth will come to expose what makes the fact.
That's true.
I get it. So we are looking at how do we hold on to truth? How do you hold on to? So the question is that you be saying, can truth be turned? Can truth be turned around? Can we change truth? If we are able to arrive at the decision, say truth can never be changed, then we ask ourselves, how do we then keep on nurturing the truth? How do we move on with the truth? How do we continue to advance with truth? First question can truth be turned? And then Mr. Okasemono, Metia say, Jetumu say, Yentumi Sisa no kware. No kware de, Utie and baby Utie and Bia no pay, Yakosama Aba, or Kumai 97.1, or Kumai Ukapmai Akasa. Na yada Yesu ase say anope ode cheyen senior yenim da no ene ye tuaso ahwe yen asem nimu na yebisa yen se so no kware obetumi adane no kware obetumi asiniti ase no kware obetumi acha ne kakra se me ena no kware no midina benkum midina nifa na no kware na koto benkum a so metumi afoso a se no kware na sambre nifa is it real? Can it be done? At times people talk about evidence. Evidence. When we are talking about truth, all these things come to, we look at truth, bring us to what we know as reality. Truth has something that talks about evidence. These are some of the things that comes together to make somebody accept something as truth. At times, do we have evidence?
Yes, we have.
And can evidence lead you to truth?
That's true.
Are you sure? Also, are you sure? If the evidence is false, can you lead you to truth?
The evidence is false. That means it can't anyway.
Exactly. So you see, that's why I'm saying that truth in its person, truth in its nature can never be twisted. Even if you bring evidence to embark or to back that truth, unless that evidence is of a truth value, because truth, is controlled by God. Truth is controlled by God. Onyankopon, truth, God controls truth, so that he has not left truth into the hands of man to manipulate it. So, and it knows no kware be den ebitim hoda. No kware, no kware. Etu kan Yesu Kristo asemo say, I am the truth. I am the truth. I am the truth. It is if you can pervert every other thing, when it comes to the truth is Jesus Christ. And you can never turn Jesus Christ as the man approved and justified by his deeds on earth, that he never turned left or right based on whatever principle. He was full. He understood every concept that God has for him. Ebusianfo yere tia se kwembia munu as I say yema osoma yere suma uradi yema no kware enkoso enye kese. Ebusianfo abo 529 na yebisa ye hu say, how do we keep the truth? How do we keep the truth? And baby amana tumu na we are picking one or two discussions from our end here, and then we would open it up. You can also send us your text message, and then we will look at it. We will look at it. To me sending a test. To me so after your brain so what is your take? Say, can the truth be changed? Or apart from that, and so the Bisaya who say, can we also move on with the truth? How do you maintain truth? Also, how do you keep truth running? Truth. How do we keep to the truth, stick to the truth? Or can be true?
By you, Debbie. That's it.
Okay. You are giving us a very simple, practical way.
You.
Let your yes be yes, exactly. And your no be no. Because Bible says anything which is beyond this is evil.
And it's a lie.
It's a lie.
But you say no kwadi wo ho na on fanto no kwamwa. no true.
Okay. Indeed, let your yes be yes and your no be no.
You who Debbie.
Okay.
Ebisao, edwuma no a oye time be na buy teacher ni so aba na 6:30 so aba 9 o'clock. Oko office time na report edwuma do office on pa unu say no kwara do 10:30 so actually 9 o'clock. No kwara di no kwara di na odi benya na fe dey adana corruption.
Okay. Enti to one
thing I'm observing is said things say to me pejao. Because obi when in kwara bi I mean you say what the kwati bi so na what pejao ho. Now so it doesn't have any stability in that particular way. Adi bia you in kwara bi say do odni kwara ketua ho no. Why then?
Be pejano e de bebre
ashensa. Nti do kwara di ne say you ready ketua bi so ahwe. Apa adwuma ya oye kwara ready so ahwe. For all you know, it's going to give you a big guy. One day you own your own radio station. One day, but they want to see whether you can manage this before you can open that the opportunity for you. And I did be a did share on Sebiano. So when you know quite now, we are what to papa. So now we are Radin say you are not faithful. He cannot give you the big. Into Obiwa or to I saw the mabum pie. It's a human now. Small scale crown and poor tables. Only no quarry. Only no quarry. Never dare to man kiosk. No man super more. Kiosk we
tabletop.
On to me manage. On to me no quarry. On to me no quarry. On to your to so the do on to your tight. Now on to your tight or small scale one. Radimao to market and out me to your tight. You cannot if you cannot be faithful in little, much cannot be given to you. Simple.
Okay. All right. Yeah, the radio say life begins from small. We enter now one store when Akropong wants to share when fee. I say need 70 years. We did 1 year. Now 1 year. No, now we did 2 years. No, we did 3 years. You think it will be then you call akasimu. In your life, no, let small things matter as much as big things will matter. Anything will be simple put. Also, Messi dan, may way, me train me sika kesia, me train me away kesia. Into temple ordinary me na de kesia, and a may yes in yes me. But when him said, Sa de kesena, edin ketu anketu ya kesena ye dia shaking to anymore. Ye de kesena eden e wura ketu anymore. Eti sa ketu na eba wonsam. Eba enum na kesena wo. But if you are not managing that small very well, you will never see how big it is.
That's true. That's very true.
Na da ye kesi se when hu adeketu aso hwa ntu hwe kesi so. Esan se ninti etisan se ketu animu no ene yehu kesi no. Ketu animu ne yehu kesi. Hu abofra ne no te hwa oya abofra na momo yo kesi. Esan se God has fashioned life to unfold and bring out people from whatever state they find themselves into a special time. Ebusuafo yenti ye ho ase nia yede kasa fa ho no kware na no kware yi mu ne yede twetwen ya adwene afa because so fa no kware a etwitwa fa babia no kware fa bibie mu aware mu adwuba mu o tonwade wudi dwa o ye mate o ye driver o ye fitter mechanic o ye engineer o ye architect o ye doctor o ye doctor na utwa toro ubu nkrofo na utrochu nuru a eni ho wo ye net wo de pane bone wo nkrofo de efa kwan bi so abednya sika efi nkrofo ho wo de chese wo mma no kware ni wanim baako sei adwuma bi a wo ye leader wo ye opanhini kese abusua panhini wo mma no kware ni wanim wo ya abofra efi ne wasi so mofra de no kwara na yen abofra efi ne wasi so na wudi aturu di wanim dia na chese wo kwan no be ma aware papa esan se abofra aturu di no opanhini tumi wo say dia ya aturu asofo abofra di aturu a opanhini nim say dia ya aturu but esan se wo ya abofra ni tu na adwene nkoso say o ma kire ne deda saa nso ne yenso yeba ye ni Nyankopɔn ntama ye twa aturu a Nyankopɔn hwen ya na osere esan so onu bibia ni we be hinta no se wani da nyame so na wo de wo ho ato Awurade so a ube hu say oh adi a meri ye na edenga Awurade nim say ena etini enti mamenka no kware wo mu no keke na chese ne ho entomi abusuafo. How do you keep to the truth? Eno ena yenua ba koreke say we need to accept that God says in his word is true. Na Yakopon asem ne say speak truth. Speak the truth. Kano kware no na o kano kware na Awurade nam na adom so besiesie. Enti so obe kano kware dia ma wo yiw enye yiw wo da bi enye da bi.
How can I tell what you mean to me? And how can I bring
Ma wo yiw enye yiw wo da bi enye da bi. O si nanso Nyankopon nyina so tim ho pintin kura insuanu yi Awurade ni won a wo ye ne de. Awurade ni won na ma obiara a obo Awurade din entwe ne ho mfini a entie ho. Wutie yen wo bo Awurade din. Wo bo Awurade din ana. Ubo Awurade din ana. Se ubo Awurade din dia ni Bible rekache wa no pense twe ho fini a entie ho. Ubo Awurade din ana. Ubo Awurade din eya simbisa ebisa so utie ye na ubo Awurade din dia Awurade se ni a ehu hia ne se twe ho fi ni a entie ho. Na empire yende ne ebo ne se Awurade ma hu ni a entie eto da bia na obeka ebia na wunim se entie ebia na wunim se ne awukura mu no entie ebia wunim se kwan nam so no entie ebia wo refi wo ho ebia na obi redada wo the true picture no finding na ntro ye odo wefi ase wo kwan mi so nti wo fi se papa no so na nam na mum ehu hia se yemfa yen kwan enhye Awurade sa na yemfa ye ho ento no so na ono na obeye abosima aduasa eson apa ho nonum. It is exactly 5:37 na enche na yebue yen phone lines no ato ho ni ayeka ho asem se no kware yetumi esesa no ana efe so kwan ben so tie anu ukan no yes ukan da bia efe wa kire kwan ben so na yebetumi atena no kware mu da edi no kware da ebusanfo in what way can we keep to the truth? Stay tuned to the truth, maintain the truth, and maintain our stand as truthful people. If Ghana, we are going to be truthful, if this community, we are going to be truthful, if in your family, people are going to be truthful, if your kids are going to be truthful, if you, the father, and you, the mother, you, the husband, and you, the wife, we are going to be truthful, if the nephew and the niece and the cousins, we are going to be truthful, God can do what he wants to do in our days. If the church is going to be truthful, God will do what he wants to do. Na osi na niaye can say in all these things, he said that ma obiara ogbo Awurade din no entwe ne ho mfi nia entie ho. That is the main thing that we are looking at here. You cannot just call out the name na ubompa bebre na so nia entie ye kan abonefo ye kan asodenfo ye kan ho a wodan nyame wotu nyame tini na wodi nyame ayatade a wo hye no kwasi danko a wo kan bi dabi. Christianity is a lifestyle. Christianity is part of us. In everything that you do, you must show forth that truth in you. Anope that Awurade say. Ahayo kuma 97.1 Anidaso Bere and anope yegusu yitie na ye kai wo say yem papa John Quarshie beba be kan ye ho nyuma no dɔso. Esre Awurade ahode amano na Awurade akoso adom ni bebre. Ebusanfo betumi enche na 0551667755 and 0270191971. Ebusanfo fra wo nim yentia no anidaso no agese anidaso ewo Kristo mu na fi wachire wadwene se no kware we yetumi dane no da bi ye nane no you yetumi dane no na fi so wachire kwan ben so na no kware ubetumi akura mu na wompa bawo obi kura no kware mu obi oya pa bawo obi atena se ama Awurade obi edi no kwara ama Awurade nanso ne ode famu nti ayi ne se on jemu anope woni ye na okasa woni ye pese tie fufura wo beka bibia hye onkura se no kwara watena mu no koso ere kura mu nipa bodi mbone nipa so pawo esan no kwara wudi nti obi ya pese obehwe wanim esan se ya bai san ka bomodin na ne nyina yenye kalabule yenye kululu na yenye di wanye enti wo hu aye hi yesere Awurade se Awurade saafo no Awurade nso mo basemu na Awurade mom ho ban Awurade to da bi kura ye pese ye totu waduru ye pese ye ka bibi nya yanka ya dome wo chese ye dome wo da na so Awurade adom enka wo Awurade nkoso nkura us ofre na ye ne onyina akasa ofrefo di kan ewo hama no so Yama wakwaba eba okuman 97.1 Anidaso
ewo Kristo
yo
papa asunjo nkamo
so
bashe Joanne ni ekasesi MAMFE binsiwa
at no kware yetumi dana na yentumi nane no
papa udane na enye yida
ya da se nti okwan benso ena ye wutumi tina no kware mu da a wo mpa ba wo
nya ebe mo tina no kware mu da wo mpa ba ne se obe pa ho echi na we di Yesu Kristo echi na wasere ne so be mo waye ne etini obe ma nso ahoden because edu baby na we kan kware na na eden edu baby na we eden because of ni pa bi a ohun ho mpanyinfo bi ohun ho enso se wanka that atembu no Awurade bibi sa wo nti Awurade mu hia mo no no me yentimi kan kware wo bra kware wo kwai sayeka Awurade nhyɛ de no nhyɛ ma papa mo payment ma me ne ma en me busia Awurade nya me ma okofo Awurade nhyɛ de no nhyɛ ma o me yentimi hwehwe na etikwan yi ni hu ni mo Anidaso se ne be ya dan kwa me bi so be saye nkwa yenya kontape bi bu na me shram
Awurade nhyɛ
shram pa
na me nhyɛ no kware etim hoda no kware entumi sisa kwan benso na obetumi atenase ewo no kware mu ama Awurade kwan benso eno na ofra obekire wadwene yewia ye ne ho asrempa boni na bebompae asana ya sign out yemo akwaba okuma 97.1
Anidaso wo Kristo bu
mama to be a
pacho you
yo mama yankasa
baba so ge kabo
and count so no kware
and the pay margin check kakra be wa de se said ya ofefo di kai baba Joanna kan no kware kadet baby ayede dan so etwasa wo ka dan so na obeti be gira o na so da bia so beta no kware je usire o ya be ho krokro no bua so krokro tu ba utire ka no kware the bad from the word as a service ho krokro so da bia da obu da ye ono kwafo and do ta obeti laka
okay na no kware na ye bi say no kware ye to me sesa no kware betumi asesa
utimi sesa no kware de da and it da bit dira so se je ho krokro bua
yeah that's it
what sa de yeye
yeah yo
what sa de yeye
yo nyame sha papa ye mama ada oni yen esum ewe fidi so nyame inye okasi bebre ayi bobo
papa
yo kofodu ati dan yo
won ti ko hoda efo
Anidaso
wa Yesu
ayo yankasa no kware yetumi sesa na yentumi sesa no
bacho ai yada mwase na enu kware ka de edi papa enu kware ka edi because enu kware no uka eye dasu ebi mu pe wasem na etro de uka ube ko tintin because etro no was said ube sese ni se uko bobusia anu edi bobusia na enye no na edi tua It is no quality of the kind of papa.
Na 90 now can see it's not a kaya din into my yanka and
Yabeka.
oh yeah that
What kind of color why you know?
yeah that's it
Now who can look at you conform the power them? That's who can throw there or power but it's so any papa and the fan quality do with him.
Amen. Nyamisha pa yem papa akro ofifi kofodia a very itia kofodia funina erade enka ho o si se wo pes yeah yeah the radio
nyamisha mo bebre kofodia fu
itia wojina
papa nyamisha
mo nso o si se wo pese wo kokan dia fa no kware eden edi wanim wosu betumi afre na yenina yatua so na yaka nokware wo ho nokware etim ho da nokware ntumi nsisanda kwambe so na wona nto nokware mu na wadi nokware amerade yeka nokware dia efa bibiyare mu woyo onokwafo a enye one area bibiyara. It affects your speech, it affects what you do, it affects your marital home. You are a husband, you are a worker, or you are a CEO, you are whatever. No quarrel will saturate every aspect until people will know you for that. At any point in time, as I say, people believe that who did no quarrel. Obi anywhere, or say, or no hoto or trofoso. Nobody can rely on a very unfaithful or
that's true.
You will need to
prove yourself.
Yeah, prove yourself that
trustworthy.
You are trustworthy.
For people can
reliable.
Confine in you.
Confine in you. Confine in you. And when you are open, and everybody, you see, truth has a way of making people trust in you. Truth has a way of letting people know that you can cook story, but truth will still continue to, because you say, conscience, conscience, it makes the people put thoughts and actions together to see, say, I do say, okay, my mimisa, or the my mimisa, wafa, and unexpectedly on to you, baby, or could be the first point. Na what to FAC daddy. When you buy a house, na would then film I say we play chess. Na Akropong watch on where you na where you to. Ebusanfo ehun hia say ye bebo modern na ye be man no kware di anim. So wo ka no kware wo nsuro ne esese wo san kan biom. Ne o ka no kware bia no bisa na asem a ne o kan no he never needs to turn his mouth around. He is consistent with whatever he does. And people know you for who you are, and people will treat you as such. And it is better. Say nipa be hu senior wote na ye be treat you sir. It say obe dan ho na ode or how ama ho. Also to me freya wait to me at adwene sir na ye nyina ye tua so abo exactly 5:48 and check na ye wie ndwumadi enedai na nyame yadoma ye no awie for enne ochina kai so ochina fi ebetu aso abompai na nyame yadoma isan say kwasi de be Akwapem presbytery the 100 years climax ye hu dwumadi nti ohwa moderator ankasa right reverend professor Joseph Obri Yeboa Mante yem papa panhini beba abe grace occasion no obe na chese PCG the whole worldwide and erebaha yeda eradia yes radia dom ene titrufo a wonna wore baha mampahini na bediachi wore baha yem papa chairperson Reverend ID Asare nyame dina yedwuma mfie numuni ewo presbytery mu papa etimobi ebusanfo yenina yeshia ewo Christ na yaka erade mani ye akire sanso na yesisi ye ho se erade nkoso ni nkoni maye yema obibia afishapa ewo sakwan so na yekoso asire erade adoma mamuni na yekoso asire erade mani ye amobibia ene kai se obenante erade mu na wetumi edi Awurade no kware betumi edi Awurade no kware na Awurade nhyira ayɛ ochefa ɛwɔ Yesu din mu nti bɔmɔden na yɛ ni Awurade ɛnanto yiye na yɛde aseda akɔso ama Awurade. Osofo yeri wie na wo final words
The final words a very, very, very candid and vivid. And the truth is what you need to make it in life. Because I realize that, you see, whatever you lie to get, you must lie to keep. Whatever you lie to get,
you must lie to keep. And
how can you lie to keep that thing? How well can you lie to keep that thing? If I lie to get a position or I lie to get any offer, I must always lie to defend the lie to keep that offer.
Okay.
The day I speak something else, I'll be exposed and that offer will be taken out of my life. So whatever you lie to get, you must lie to keep. Whatever you lie, whatever you lie to get, you must lie to keep. How well can you lie to keep that particular thing? You'll be exposed, just a matter of time. So whatever you lie to get, you must lie to keep. That means that when you speak the truth and you get everything, it's forever. It's everlasting.
Okay. Nyami onshira bebre yen aberma SD. Nyami nshira pa, so that don't use lie as your weapon to amass things. No. Be truthful. And also 2 Peter chapter 5:10 na ono asumdie Nyankopɔn no na wafema ba ne dan nyunyam ewo Yesu Kristo mu no ono na se o mamu hu amane kakra sa obesisi problem ma se tim obema nyanyina so. So you see, truth will sustain you over time. Yeah, enti mumma ye momoden se ebekosara edunukware yembere yimu. It is very easy for you to fall for the lie, but let us be unique in our own way. Etifa yeti Anidaso Bere yenhye yenhu edin ewe Awurade mu se yebegina nokware mu na yama nokware edi anim kan. Onyame nsa se no pay oni eni na bomu na yetu adwumadi so yebesan ahia nyame yadoma ochina na Awurade enkan ye ho ommo wo ho ban ye bompaya ma won a request for prayer na Awurade anopa yi na wasam so bompaya de etiefo won a wode won ade sede ato Awurade anim abambo ni se apon bebia ma won se adom be do so ma won na wonnyuma ne won hihye nyina akoyie ago through na Awurade ja won ahye won sa no pay yesre wa adom sre wutumi sre wo basa wo meiso ma ensi wo mayiye na ma wa adom ensiesie wo ma wutumi ye kese wo maso na ma wanu nyam enkasa ewo wo maso ye de wase esanse okoso din kuni mayen ewo Yesu Kristo din mu ye de atiefo nyina hye wonsa okuma adwumayefo ne abusuafo nyina stakeholders nyina hye wonsa ma wunhyira ne wutumi ye kese ye nyina ye de ho hye wonsa koso kura ye na boye ho ban na ye nsanhia na ye nkoso nsomo ye da wase bebre se wedding kuni mayen ewo Yesu din mu. Amen.
Amen.
Awurade onhyira wo se obekoso ahwehwe Yesu Kristo achi kwan sanso ne no kware no ti wo hwehwe no kware achi kwan a na se Yesu Kristo a na okọ onka ho no no mo ebre ni den nyina ye no besan hia bio. Bye bye.
Bye.